Irrigation. We know that all living organisms require water. So, water is essential for all the living organisms, including crops. With the help of water, the seed germination can take place. Also, water helps in the growth of the plant. Water also helps in the development of various parts of the plants like flowers, fruits, and seeds. Water is absorbed by the roots of the plants. Along with this water molecule, essential minerals present in the soil and also some amount of fertilizers get absorbed. We should know that healthy plants contain 90% of water. These water molecules absorbed by the roots of the plants are transported to the various parts of the plant. Water helps the plant by protecting it from frost and hot flowing air. So, we require the regular supply of water to the plants. The supply of water to the crops at regular interval is known as irrigation. However, the time and the repetition of irrigation is different for different crops, different for different soil types, and different for different seasons. For example, in summer season, the because of the hot climate, the evaporation of the water is more from the leaves as well as the soil. So the irrigation is to be done more frequently. Whereas in the winter season, because of the cold climate, the evaporation of the water does not take place and the irrigation is not so frequent. Various sources of irrigation. From where we get water. The various sources of irrigation are wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, river, dam, and canals. There are various methods of irrigation, traditional methods and modern methods. Traditional methods include moat, that is pulley system, chain pump, dhekli, and rahat. All these traditional methods are used to fetch water from the wells, lakes, and canals. These traditional methods make the use of cattle and human beings. These traditional methods hence are cheaper and less efficient. These traditional methods also make the use of pump. This pump runs on diesel or biogas or electricity or solar energy. The modern method of irrigation are more economical and more effective than the traditional method of irrigation. Modern method consists of two types. First is sprinkler system. In this method, there are vertical pipes and the rotating nozzles attached to it. These vertical pipes and rotating nozzles are then connected to the main pipeline. With the help of pump, the water is allowed to flow through this main pipeline under the pressure. Due to the pressure of water, the rotating nozzles start rotating and the water is sprayed over all the crops like similar to rain. Thus, this sprinkler system is very useful where the ground is not level and if there is insufficient quantity of water is present, especially in sandy soil. Another method of irrigation is drip system. In this method, the water is supplied near to the roots of plants drop by drop. So it is named as drip system. In this method, only as water is supplied to the soil present near the roots of the plant, so only this soil get wetted. This method is useful for fruit plants, garden and trees. Also, in this system, there is no wastage of water at all. Due to the very less supply of the water, we need to supply the water. We need to irrigate more frequently. This system is very useful in the regions where there is no availability of water or the availability of water is very poor. I hope you have understood all the methods of irrigation. We will study about other agriculture practice in another video. Thank you.